welcome back to my Blackbird Studio tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Cybertruck in Blender 2.8. So, first thing we want to do is drag in this image I made in Photoshop. Looks amazing, right? Okay. So, remove the location and rotation, and rotate it on the x-axis 90 degrees, and rotate it on the z-axis 90 degrees. So RZ90. So now if we press numpad 3 and go into side view, I just want to scale this down, and what we want to do is position all these points to the reference image. And we're gonna have to add a loop cut, or a couple of loop cuts, and add another. Just position these where they are on the reference image. They don't have to be perfect. So once that's done, we'll scale it on the x-axis just so it's a little wider, and want to add wheels. But first we're gonna make the these areas around the wheels. So change the vertices of the wheel to like 6, and then rotate it on the y-axis 90 degrees. And then position this where it is on the reference image. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. And duplicate it and move it to the other side of the vehicle. Now we can move these on the x-axis, just like that. Then what we want to do is go into edit mode and add a loop cut straight through the middle, just like that. Okay. Now if I can delete the left side and delete the vertices. And we can add a mirror modifier. And we can change this to like the y-axis. Basically just mirrors the object. So whatever we do on this side happens on this side. Okay, so we want to select these wheel things, I don't know what you'd call these, and press Ctrl J. And then select this, the body, and then add a Boolean modifier, and select the wheel things, apply the modifier, and delete the wheels. So now you can see that it got mirrored on this side too. And let's add a cylinder, so it'll be the actual wheel, and change this to like 20, it's more round, and rotate it on the y-axis 90 degrees, and position this inside of the wheel things, and then duplicate it and move it on the y-axis to the other side. Doesn't have to be perfect. Definitely doesn't have to be perfect. Then scale it on the x-axis and move them into the wheel spot things. I don't know what you call those. Okay, then we want to press Ctrl J on the wheels and duplicate them. And now if we go to the object properties, we can change the location on the X to negative. And this will put them on the opposite side. It'll mirror them, I guess. Then we can just Control J, make them one wheel, or one object. Now let's add a window. And sometimes this doesn't work perfectly. Let's add a cube. And let's position these to the spots on the reference image. And now we can press X and dissolve the vertices. Or actually, we want to dissolve the edges. Okay, great. And move it on the x-axis. Just like that. This is going to be the window. And then on the truck, add a Boolean modifier. And select the cube and apply it and delete it once again. Great, so we can move around this face if you want. You can make it go in more. Now let's add materials to this. Let's give it some color. So add a new material and make it gray, and then increase the metallicness, and this will basically just make it look more metal. Cybertruck is definitely metal. Maybe make it a little bit brighter. And then select these wheels, add another material, and make them, I don't know, a little darker, I guess. Now there's a like a light in the front of the truck. So add a loop cut and then select the light, and add a new material and press assign, and then make this like a blue color. First, actually change the surface type to emission and change the color to blue color. So what this will do is it'll emit, it'll like make it brighter, I guess. So go to the render properties and enable bloom. And what this will do is it'll allow it to like glow. Right now we can also change the color of the window. And click new and assign. And then down here, change the blend mode from opaque to alpha blend. What this will do is allow you to see through the window. I might be able to see through it a little too much. One sec. If we hide, if we select the reference image and then hide it, so press H. and then decrease the alpha, and you can see into the car. And also just change the base color to a blue color, so it looks like glass. And that is pretty much it. We could render this, so also change the render engine to cycles, because the Eevee engine is not that great. And again, we could increase the strength, make it brighter. And that is it. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Definitely like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.